Hi, PerspectiveWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, May 21st. Another kind of a cool morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. We've been under the influence of a strong high pressure located over southeastern Canada, the northern part of New England. In that position, this high pressure system has featured a persistent flow of air off the ocean, an east to northeast wind at the low levels of the atmosphere right into the heart of the Mid-Atlantic region. The ocean temperature is still rather chilly this time of the year, and that leads to below normal temperatures, and it kind of continues a pattern that really began in the month of April. We have now had pretty much 2 months of below normal temperatures in much of the eastern half of the nation. What I'm showing here is the month of May so far from weatherbell.com, Weatherbell Analytics. These are the 2-meter temperature anomalies. We're now about 2/3 of the way through the month of May, and similar to April, much of the eastern half of the nation below normal, as represented on this particular diagram with the blues and the greens, and some above normal results here over in the southwestern part of the nation. Pretty similar to the month of April. Now, we do have some warmer weather coming to the Mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. over the next week or so, but it probably won't be enough to eliminate the below normal nature of this month so far. We'll continue to monitor that over the next week to 10 days or so. This is another 9 or 10 days to go for the month of May. Well, this week has turned out to be cool and relatively dry from, let's say, D.C. north and east and throughout the Mid-Atlantic region, the northeast part of the nation. Again, thanks to that large chilly high pressure system located across southeastern Canada. A week ago it looked like this would be a very wet week, maybe even a warmer week than what we've actually turned out to experience here. One of the reasons it's remained dry in the DC, Philadelphia, New York City corridors, because the upper level low situated out over the Tennessee Valley has really moved nowhere, or very little, in the last 3 to 5 days or so. It's kind of dropped southeast from the upper Midwest into the Tennessee Valley and kind of sat around there and has spun around there, meandered around that area over the last few days, producing some heavy rainfall, which continues today from the Ohio Valley down across the Carolinas. Finally, this upper level system will get kicked out and take a move to the east, albeit in a weakened state, but it should be strong enough to produce showers in the D.C. metro region by tomorrow morning, and then throughout the Philadelphia, New York City I-95 corridor region during the day on Friday. It looks like occasional showers are likely, finally, in the Mid-Atlantic region from that kicked out upper level low in the Friday, Saturday time frame. But what better weather is coming for Sunday and Monday. Monday, of course, is Memorial Day holiday, so a split decision on the weekend, with Friday and Saturday not looking so nice, occasional showers, improvement for Sunday and Monday. But again, this is associated with that upper level low that finally will get kicked out to the east beginning later today, and especially tonight, tomorrow, into the day on Saturday. We'll notice some shower activity in this part of the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's in fact take a more close look at that upper level feature. We're actually going back in time here. This is the Sunday night forecast map, basically the weather map as of Sunday night, and here's that upper level low we've been talking about, and watch what happened since Sunday night. Here we go. It just drops out of the upper part of the Midwest into the Tennessee Valley region. This is now Tuesday night, and here we are all the way now into Wednesday morning right here. This is the current map. So we saw it over here, the upper part of the Midwest, Sunday night, and it has only dropped this far to the south and east, from the upper Midwest to the Tennessee Valley. But now watch what happens. And by the way, this is strong high pressure ridging across southeastern Canada, New England, keeping the Mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. basically cool and dry over the last few days. Finally, though, this system will get kicked out. It is kind of a weaker system. Here we are by tomorrow night. It's finally kicking out to the east to northeast. That will finally result in showers reaching the D.C. metro region late tonight, early tomorrow, and then Philadelphia and New York City during the day on Friday. And once it arrives, it'll be kind of slow to move. Shower threat continues on Saturday, maybe a bit warmer, maybe even a thunderstorm mixed in. Not an all-day rain, but enough to kind of ruin some outdoor plans for Saturday. But again, better weather coming for Sunday and Monday. Here we are, and here's that upper level feature that it finally gets kicked out here. This is the Saturday morning forecast map from the 0Z GFS model run. That will continue to move. High pressure region takes over, and it looks like Sunday and Monday, which is Memorial Day, will turn out to be quite nice, and more high pressure building across southeastern Canada, and that will prevent any kind of a hot weather pattern to set up here in the Mid-Atlantic region, northeast U.S. Still can't see any sustained hot weather in sight here. So again, it looks like the month of May end up below normal throughout much of the eastern third of the nation, maybe even the eastern half of the nation. Well, let's now walk through the surface forecast maps from the 0Z operational run of the GFS, starting off the day here on Thursday morning, May 21st. A familiar pattern here, high pressure off the New England coastline. A lot of rain associated with that upper level feature extending from the Carolinas into the Ohio Valley, but DC basically rain free at this moment. Philadelphia, New York City, and that's been the case for the most part over the past few days, but this system finally kicks on out of here, and by tomorrow morning, it's Friday morning forecast map, rain arrives in DC and pushes north and east into Philadelphia, New York City, and basically the Mid-Atlantic region will have occasional showers on Friday to end this work week as that upper level low finally kicks on out to the east. And again, once it kicks on out, it's kind of a slow mover. Here's a reflection of surface low as of Saturday morning, and there's still enough moisture in the air to produce some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Probably not an all-day type of rainfall here, but not all that nice either. Mostly cloudy with an occasional shower, maybe even a thunderstorm continuing on Saturday. But then another high pressure system builds into northern New England, southeastern Canada. This is the Sunday morning forecast map. Another familiar setup here with high pressure to the north and east, an east to northeast flow of air. Will still be a little bit below normal temperature wise on Sunday in the I-95 corridor region, maybe 70, 72 degrees. We should be maybe 4 or 5 degrees above that this time of the year, but not when high pressure is to the north and east. And there should be some sunshine on Sunday under the control of that high, and it stays in control right into the day on Monday. Here's the Monday morning forecast map. Same kind of pattern, east to northeast flow of air in the lower part of the atmosphere, keeping us probably dry, rain-free, but also a little bit below normal. Continues into the Memorial Day holiday on Monday, maybe just a couple degrees below normal. But again, the upper level low finally kicks on out from the Tennessee Valley into the Mid-Atlantic region to produce showers on Friday, and that threat of showers will continue on Saturday as well. But better weather for Sunday and Monday, not only in the Mid-Atlantic region, but for the northeastern part of the nation. That's it for now. For PerspectiveWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.